Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are enjoying everything throughout the channel or throughout the learning. If you like it, subscribe it, and share it, please. Now let's go back to the data. So we'll be discussing something for manipulating. This is called manipulation any data. So for that, I'll be doing a heading here. So basically for data manipulators or data security or data hackers. So hackers are, it doesn't mean that you steal something. You basically manipulating sometimes in some category when you manipulating any data of any category. Let me go into some website. For example, any website, or this is basically website.com to create a new website. So I'm gonna jumping into this. For example, Python, or for example, data manipulation.org. If you go here, I just randomly searched, and after this searching, I can go find any website, whatever it is here. For example, here is data manipulation, attacks, and mitigation. So here are some posts. It's been posted on May 23, 2019. So you have been advised by your company to manipulate this data, whatever it has been posted. So under your company's authentication, you're gonna change the data from here. So basically, you make a name of those data, for example, data, and you you just bring it down into your system like this, into multiple lines for your sake, because sometimes you'll be able to recognizable most of the time. Let me make it more clear so that we can understand. So this is the data. So these are the data. You just bring it down on YouTube or any code editor or any Python editor you want to use. It's up to you. Now you're gonna find the data length. Print the length of the data. It's 714 data here available. So you're gonna manipulate these data in particular cases. Your company or the company you're working for is asking to make some manipulation. It says confidentiality coming. So if you can see from here, confidentiality, or if you want to change, for example, cybersecurity. Okay, let me go for cybersecurity. if you find this one, you found that. Can you do this? No. Why is it? Because integer object has no attribute upper. So you cannot do this way. Just go with this. So for this, A is showing -1, which is very strange. -1 is the data here. This one is 13 for sure because it is -1. This is unfortunate. I don't know why. Why is it happening? So for that, if you want to change this, if you want to change on data, so for example, there is a problem here. That is why it is showing -1. See, it showed the -1 is the data for confidentiality. Let me let me tell you why. I made another data. It's the capital C. Okay, the capital C. Okay, I'm gonna print this first, then I'm gonna replace this. Now it is showing capital C. It's gonna show now. See how it's gonna show A1. Okay, this is your second variable, which is 32. So this is the problem when you are making a data exactly on that same manner what it is mentioned in that website. Other than that, you won't be able to find it, or you won't be able to. This is just an example, guys. In your working places, you'll be able to find billions of scripts that you have to manipulate them when you are advised to. So this is the thing. Yeah, so mhm, for confidentiality, for example, unknown. Hey, or you could do whatever you want to do. So now this is the terms here. In terms of service query, the unknown, you made this data being changed. So you basically broke the chain of the data. You changed the script, manipulated. That is how you're gonna manipulate the system. So I hope you liked it, and if you like it, if you have any questions regarding to this indexing Python, so let me know, please. Thank you so much. And let me tell you one thing: for data manipulation, most of the scripts would be on string, and very limited are on a numeric. And that's all. Thank you so much.